Well, hi, my name's Tracy. I'm out in Reno, Nevada, and I've got Ron's new snake oil product. I've got two Subarus that I've treated the engines with the snake oil. I have a 2002 Subaru Outback, and I have an old 85 Subaru GL station wagon. The '02 Outback, I treated that first, and I am really impressed with the results. It freed up a great deal of low-end power. The throttle response is like it's running on greased glass or something. It's incredibly smooth and slick. It literally feels like I've got liquid power in that car now. It takes hardly any throttle to get going or to stay going at all. On my older car, the GL wagon, it's responded well too. It's got almost 100,000 miles on a rebuilt engine, and the snake oil it seems like a lot of the friction has gone away. The engine starts easier, runs smoother, accelerates better, and both cars need a lot less throttle than they used to. So I am really quite impressed with the snake oil. Thank you very much. Have a great day.